One of the styled items that isn't stylable, if that's a word, in the Visual Builder is the blog post read more link. Normally it just says read more right after this, and I like them to be buttons, and so I actually styled them in the style sheet to be buttons, and this is how you can change those. So I'm going to go to Appearance, Theme File Editor here, and then in a new tab, I'm going to go to my theme options. But I'm just going to scroll down here until I find, well, first thing I'm doing is going to copy all this, save it locally to my machine so I have a backup. But I'm going to go down until I find the blog section. So here's floating section, blurb links, blog right here. And then I'm going to look for that read more or the more link. And you can see that it seems to be right here. That's where it all's at. I'm trying to see if anything else over here. Nope. So I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to go over to my theme options here and just paste this in. And let's say I just want to change, let's say I'm fine with how it looks. I'm fine with the padding around the read more. Like, this looks good. These colors just aren't quite my brand. So what I can do is I can get rid of quite a bit of this because I just want to mess with colors. So I can get rid of this padding, border, display, all that I can get rid of. Let's say I like the font weight. I like all this stuff you can get rid of until you're just left with the colors. And so this is the colors when the button's just there, and then this is when they're being hovered. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to go with a hideous red background, and then on hover, we're going to leave, let's say we're going to do like a blue background with a terrible accessibility nightmare red here. I'm going to save this. This is going to look so bad. We're going to refresh the page here. And now there they are. And then I hover over them. Oh, even worse. Very patriotic. So that's how you change the read more colors. If I get rid of these, now it's going to go back to what I originally had in the original style sheet. So, piece of cake. That's it.